have some chicken here, ginger garlic paste. We'll add breadcrumbs. So breadcrumbs, you first add some, then once you grind it, you look at the consistency, and then we'll add more. Some salt. And we'll add some red chili. Some haldi. 1 egg. I took about 2 lobes of chicken, and it has to be boneless. It's in there. You can take boned chicken and remove the bones, or use boneless, but then I would recommend with bones because it's more yummy. And then we'll add some green chili. So this will be the hara masala, where you'll take kothmeer, hari mirch, and khalia pak. We will just give it a stir, and I'll show you how it looks like. So when I'm grinding it, I'll show you the numbers that I used. Here's the consistency after the drill. I think it's kind of nice. This is what I want. See this? Perfect. Just going to mix it nicely once, and then give it another stir. I think it's done. Let's check. Here's how it looks like. So when you use dough, it basically kneads it instead of grinding it. It retains the elasticity of a burger patty. This is all done. We'll just make one patty and show how it turns out.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh.
Painted body, you child, taintless heart displaced, eyes and mirrors unmeant, reflecting our space. Let me face I'm hot, dear. Blindness hidden in this pain. Friends will never be lost as we surrender to their games. As we surrender, taste's been told, still though we grow. The humble hands shake low. Still though we grow. The humble hands shake low.